do it on damp hair, but you know, we're here now, so we're just going to continue. At least it's curly. Can you shut up? I'm talking to the video. This orange juice is amazing. M&S, never from concentrate. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. I hope everyone is well. So I haven't posted a video in a while because I've just been, I can't even say I haven't been doing anything really apart from working from home. But as you can see, I've rebranded, so this channel is now going to be called Funto'sFlair. I just thought I needed something a little bit more me. So yeah, let's get into this video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. So my amazing boyfriend got me my Dyson Airwrap for my 25th birthday, and it's literally just been sitting here for like weeks because I'm just like, ugh, I want to use it, but like I wanted to film my first impressions and I just haven't been bothered. So here it is. He got me the gift edition, the Dyson Airwrap Complete gift edition, and it's also the limited edition gold copper silver colour, which I literally love. I'm so happy that I got this colour. So yeah, let's do an unboxing. So I've just opened the box and inside I have this. Please do not watch the nails. We are well into lockdown 3 and they're kind of still going strong. It's not even showing them. I won't show you. Oh, and it's got this travel bag. I think it only comes with this limited edition colourway. So it's like this cute velvety travel bag that you can like put your Dyson Airwrap in when you're going away, which hopefully will be soon. Please, can this lockdown end, please? But yeah, it looks like this, which I think is really nice. So yeah, inside the box is a smaller box which looks like this. It's heavy. Here's this. Ooh. I literally love the colour of this. Ah! So fancy. Oh, the grand reveal! I literally love it. Oh, this colour is just everything. Okay. Now it's time to use it. So I'm wearing a wig today. I want to try it on both a wig and my natural hair. So I'm wearing just like a long straight wig today to see what it's like on this. And then tomorrow I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to do a separate video of me doing it on my natural afro hair and see how it works with that, which is going to be interesting. But I'm actually really excited. Woo! Okay, so let me plug this in and then we'll figure out how we're going to use it. Okay, so I've plugged it all in now, literally next to me. And yeah, I'm going to use this. I'm going to curl my hair basically because it's already straight. Okay, I think that's locked in. I haven't actually read any instructions or anything. I was just going to kind of wing it. I literally love watching videos of people do this, so I don't know if this is going to be the right way. Oh. Let's try this again. Oh. Yeah. No. Let's try another piece. A longer piece maybe.
A few moments later.
Doing anything. Okay. Let's try this side. Sorry, but okay. Okay, so I've put the arrows going the other way. I'm gonna see if I have better luck with this. Yes, I was doing it the wrong way. Oh my god! Okay, I'm gonna do this whole side, like speed it up and then come back.
2 hours later. A few moments later.
So it defo says do it on damp hair, but you know, we're here now, so we're just gonna continue. At least it's curly. Different. Can you shut up? I'm talking to the video. Instructions because I was just not understanding. So yeah, I'm gonna continue doing this side and then show you guys this side before I do this side. Whew. Why am I wearing black? You can't even like see it, but look at those curls. Oh. I just know when I get the hang of it, then it won't be like this. But this is this side done, and I'm gonna do this side, which hopefully should be quicker, and then show you guys the end result. Doing it on my natural hair is gonna be very interesting. Don't be. Finally done the other side. That definitely took longer than it needed to take. I really struggled with doing this side. I like couldn't figure out how to hold the thing, but I really do like it. I'm very proud of myself. I keep looking in the viewfinder. I'm very proud of myself of how I done it because I did not have a clue. I had a food break. I had to then watch the video because I don't know what I was doing, but it wasn't the right thing. I was holding it in all sorts of weird ways. I would rate it on this first look like 7 or 8 out of 10. I still need to use it a lot more to like understand it a bit better and then give like a better review of like what I think of it. It is really expensive, but so far I do really like it, and I'm excited to play about with it more. But I think what will actually help me decide is me doing it on my natural hair. Then I'll know like if I actually love it or not, because that's why I wanted it, for my natural hair, to like an easier way to look after my fro, you know. But yeah, I do really like this and I'm happy, and I can't wait to use it more with my wig, with my natural hair. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!